Welcome to Trendsi Trades, and thank you guys for following. I really appreciate it. I want to just do an update video here on the SPY. I ended up posting a video a couple days ago to keep an eye out for this strong level of support here around 390. And as of today, we have come directly down to that spot. So anyone that was playing puts into the market, if you guys are trading options, we're able to capitalize on this all the way down to this area here. Now, the reason why we wanted to keep a look for a continuation to the downside is down here on our dashboard, you can tell that this middle line, this represents overall market momentum. So when this is red, this means the market is in a bearish momentum. You can tell price is decreasing. So we've decreased all the way down to an area of strong support. So what happens from here? So a couple things that I'm looking at. You can tell that our money momentum is actually shifting and making a higher low. So this means overall the money that's flowing into the market is actually increasing, but the price is actually decreasing. So the way I like to play this scenario is I like to look out for a couple things. When you have this flowing in and you're at a strong level of support, this is a good indication that we could see a bounce on the SPY to continue through this week and into next week. So there is a very good possibility. What I want you guys to keep an eye out for, if we continue in this upper direction and our middle band then switches over to green, just like it did right here, switches over to green, that means bull market momentum, the price started increasing. When you have your white line money momentum and your green line all in both conjunction, that's a great spot to be looking for an entry into the market. However, we aren't there just yet, but it doesn't mean that we can't get there very, very soon. So just keep an eye out for that. The other thing that I want you guys to take an eye out for and just keep in mind is these areas of resistance in the market on where to potentially play this up to. You can tell that we have a strong level of resistance around this 400 area. So if you're currently in calls right now, I don't think this is a bad idea. Just look to be getting out of that call option around this 400 area to see if we see a slight push down. Now, if you're currently in calls, I want you to use this level of support as your target to get out of a trade. So use these as take profit and also stop losses. If this breaks below and a candle closes below this, even if it's just below, get out of this trade and look for the market to just kind of settle down. If it continues to drop lower into this bottom deviation level, that's okay. You can then play puts. But right now, we ended up alerting into our Discord that playing calls on the SPY right now isn't a bad idea just because we have so many metrics, money momentum flowing up, and we're testing a strong level of support. Historically in the past, when you guys use this indicator in the bottom dashboard, when you get down to this green buying section, this does indicate a strong area that you want to be looking for longs in the market, as we've tested multiple times before, and we've seen a nice push up. So just as we are right now, just as we did with this bottom green section, this was a great entry into the market. We are making a higher low, so just keep an eye out for this area is the best way to explain this. You guys, all of our indicators are actually on sale right now. It's actually $250 off. Normally they're $750. Right now, you can actually get access to all of our 4 of our indicators and the private Discord. This is a lifetime access. There's no monthly fees at all. It's a one-time startup for $500. Again, 4 indicators that we've coded and a private Discord. Lifetime access. That's all you have to worry about. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and thank you for following.